shit. Every day I wake up, same shit. Motherfucker, do you understand, kid? People keep telling me the same damn thing every day of my fucking life. Yo, is it my fault that I feel like all I know how to do is write and come off the top? Is it weird as fuck that I like to rap? If it think that maybe sometimes that when I think of these things don't make me feel like I'm fucking crazy? Motherfucker, do you know what the fuck I've been through? Yo, fuck school has always been my mentality. So motherfucker, you dare to say that I can't rap? Let's see you battle me, motherfucker. I'm like 45 miles south of Seattle. See, I ain't trying to just follow the fucking generic fusion of a pathway that motherfuckers just follow cause they think that they think of things and ideas and fragments in their fucking brain, but they're fucking stupid as fuck. Alright, fuck it. I'm just playing.